Hi there, this is my luck. And first things first, I would like to say congratulations again to the Legless lockpicker for passing 100 subscribers, and thank you for these padlocks. This was the prize of his 100 subscriber giveaway, a trio of BURG-WÄCHTER padlocks, and I'm looking forward to opening these packets and giving them a pick. While we were corresponding, we also decided to do a little lock trade. So he sent me this little discus padlock, the first discus I've got in my collection. It's a little BURG-WÄCHTER, and I'm not sure would I be able to do this in a mini lock Monday, because it's the little 60mm. We'll see. It's quite a small keyway as well. The other locks were an ERA, €0.5, 6-pin, a lot of high cuts there, Smith & Lock, and focus. Yeah, some pretty aggressive bitting on the Smith & Lock, so that might be a challenge. And there's a Yale that I've already couldn't resist having a wee pick. It's a 1-star kite marked Yale with yeah, quite a focus. Sorry folks. It's got quite a low cut in the middle there, so that was a bit of a challenge. And we've got a multi-lock, €0.5. And this, I've got other multi-locks, but this is actually the first multi-lock I've gotten my hands on that actually comes with a key. And it's a 5-pin and pin, so yeah, that might be an interesting one to play with. And last of all, the wee Squire 40mm long shackle padlock. So thanks again, Legless, and it won't be long before you're hitting the 200. Cheers, buddy. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good one. Cheers.